Hi, you're watching Cuisine Canvas. I'm Ghana and we are going to make a vegetarian Maharashtrian thali today. One thing that a Maharashtrian thali needs is greens, and today we are going to make fenugreek. We've already plucked fenugreek leaves and have it ready in a bowl. We are going to use chopped onions, chopped chilies and chopped tomatoes along with cubed potatoes. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to let it heat up. Add the cumin seeds, the onions, chilies, the potatoes. Cook until the potatoes are cooked. I'm going to put the tomatoes in and mix everything well just until the tomatoes sweat. You can see they're starting to sweat. I'm going to add my fenugreek. They call it Methi in Hindi and Marathi. It is a very essential part of our summers and our winters. So I'm just going to add salt now. As you can see, it's already reduced. We're just going to mix it well. So I've turned the heat off and I'm letting the fenugreek cook with the heat of the pan. Our methi is ready. Smells amazing. The methi in the earthen pot, the oils infused, everything bliss.
Thank you for watching this video on the official Cuisine Canvas channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Click on the official Cuisine Canvas logo to subscribe.